Welcome to Radio Platform. This is our 6-week training course, and here's what we do. Radio Platform is a youth-led radio station where we look at radio presenting, structuring and production, broadcast software and setting up a studio. All that gets put together and they present a 10-15 minute show.
We've learned about what it takes to do a news report, how you clip songs, how you make your own jingles and stuff, which is really, really cool.
Dwi newydd orffen fy hyfforddiant gyda Radio Platform a heno yw fy sioe olaf. Felly nes I ddysgu sut I editio a sut I cyfweld y bobl a hefyd sut I gario mlaen I siarad os oes popeth yn methu ar radio fyw, sut I just cario mlaen I siarad.
Mae yna nifer o gyfleoedd o fod yn rhan efo Radio Platform. Enghraifft, mae yna nifer o gymunedau sydd yn rhan o'r cynllun. Maen nhw'n cydweithio efo gwyliau mawr fel Boomtown a Festival of Voice. Maen nhw'n cydweithio efo Gorsaf Radio Cardiff. A dwi'n gwybod bod nifer o'r bobl ifanc sydd wedi bod yn rhan o'r cynllun yma wedi symud ymlaen eisoes. So mae cyfleoedd yn anhygoel ac felly ni'n annog unrhyw un I rhoi tro arni.
We also think it's really important to link young people with the wider community, to get involved in making videos, get involved in volunteering, in projects, in rapping, in events. We try and work out what that young person's interested in and then support them into all these opportunities within the city.
For us, we feel it's about the transferable skills that they get with it as well. Teamwork, being able to speak in public.
The idea is that students talk about subjects that they're passionate about.
So it's actually, I think, really about developing young people.
Dwi'n credu bod o'n gyfle gwych I gael blas o diwydiant radio ac mae rhoi blas o beth chi'n gofod wneud o'r cyflwyno i'r torri'r gwaith, I cyfweld â pobl. Mae'n rhoi blas I chi a weithiau mae'r blas yna'n golygu bod chi moyn wneud mwy neu weithiau mae'n deitha chi di hwn ddim I fi. Ond hefyd mae'n rhoi hyder I chi achos mae gwynebu y meicroffon yn beth eitha anodd I wneud pa chi'n wneud am y tro cyntaf. Ac ar ôl wneud am y tro cyntaf a taflu chi'n mewn i'r gwaith, mae o'n rhoi lot o hyder I chi ac gobeithio yn rhoi blas I chi ar gyfer y dyfodol.